Hi, I'm Peter Overbo, Product Management Director for Yanmar Compact Equipment North America, and I'd like to tell you about our new model in our mid-frame size class of forestry compact track loaders, the VT-80 Forestry. The VT-80F is a vertical lift compact track loader that has a rated operating capacity of 2,800 pounds and a lift height of over 10 feet. It is powered by a 74 horsepower Yanmar diesel engine with the capability to travel up to 9 miles per hour. The ASV VT-80F has been developed specifically to meet the rigors and challenges of the landscaping, forestry, and land management markets. The VT-80F includes the renowned ASV PosiTrack system. The PosiTrack system on the VT-80F features a dual-level suspension system made up of 2 independent torsion axles and suspended wheels. The benefit of the ASV PosiTrack system allows for more contact with the ground, increasing traction and minimizing negative effects of impact to the loader and operator. This means greater performance in steep, wet, muddy, and slippery conditions, truly earning the right to wear the badge of all-season vehicle. The undercarriage also features an open frame design that allows for debris to pass through and eject from the track without risking derailment. Furthermore, the VT-80F comes standard with selectable ride control. With 64.5 inches of track on the ground and 17.7 inches wide of track, ground pressure is reduced to 4 psi, allowing the loader to function well in just about any ground condition. With automatic shifting of the 2-speed drivetrain, it is effortless to go from working speeds to traveling up to an industry-leading 9 miles per hour. The loader comes standard with the ASV Forestry cab, an all-weather enclosed cab with heating and air conditioning. The side windows are all polycarbonate, giving unparalleled visibility and protection from flying debris. The front door is constructed of 3/4 inch thick polycarbonate. The cab structure is also ROPS compliant and has a level 2 FOPS rating. The forestry cab seals tightly and is pressurized to help keep out dust and debris. The loader has 2 forward and 2 rear-facing LED lights with optional LED side lights and a rotating beacon. Ingress and egress of the loader is safe and easy with a swing-out door and a low step-in with a wide foot base. To protect the operator, a lap bar that pivots from the side and a seat belt helps retain the operator in the seat. The loader can also be outfitted with an optional 3-inch wide seat belt or a 3-point seat belt. The cab also features industry-leading visibility with nearly 360 degrees of visibility, and adding to that visibility is a standard backup camera. Inside the cab is a 7-inch color touchscreen display for easy and intuitive monitoring of the loader and selecting of functions. Adding to the comfortable ride, the VT-80F comes standard with an air ride suspended seat. 2 joystick controls the direction and speed of the loader, as well as the loader and auxiliary functions, with the ability to be able to customize the controls from either ISO to H pattern. In case of an emergency, the loader is equipped with a number of features to be able to exit the enclosed cab, such as the loader arm relief valve, a glass breaker, and an industry-exclusive emergency roof hatch. In the rear of the machine is the 74 horsepower Tier 4 final Yanmar diesel engine that has proven reliability and performance. Better yet, it does not require diesel exhaust fluid. At the back of the loader, accessibility to conduct routine and scheduled maintenance is a breeze with toolless swing-out doors. Also incorporated into the rear door is a protected location for the backup camera. Under the loader, the belly pans are bolted on in separate pieces to allow easier removal when needing to clean or perform service work on the loader. The loader features a box frame design with an integrated foot pad that provides rigidity to the lift arms. At the back, the pivot point is placed up higher to help promote visibility from the operator station. The loader comes standard with a hydraulic quick connect attachment mounting plate that utilizes 2 hydraulic cylinders for increased reliability. The loader is equipped with dual direction attachment leveling and return to position settings that can be controlled from the operator station. To run large hydraulically driven attachments like mulchers, the VT-80F puts out 34 gallons per minute of hydraulic flow at 3,771 psi. The VT-80F also maximizes reliability by including a 2-year, 2,000-hour warranty that not only boasts the industry's only no derailment guarantee, but also covers the track for that entire warranty period. Thanks for checking out the VT-80F. If you would like to learn more, check it out at asvi.com or visit your local ASV dealer.